Hi, I'm Michael Brookes. I'm the General Manager of Evolution Window Systems in St Mary's, based at the foot of the Blue Mountains. I have a manufacturing business of aluminium and timber windows and doors, and we'd like to put some information out there on the products and our company. Several weeks ago, we attended the Rebuild Expo organised by the Blue Mountains Economic Enterprise people at the up at Springwood. After the recent devastation of bushfires through the Wimberley and Springwood area, they've decided to put some information together for local residents, and we attended and exhibited some of our bushfire products that we make in windows and doors. And it was a great response from the public. Over 700 people came through, and all wanting information. So this is why we're here today. So we're going to ask a few questions and answer those questions for you and see if we can offer some assistance to you guys.
Michael, what exactly is BAL-40? What's the rating system?
The recent BAL ratings have changed. They used to be on old levels 1, 2 and 3, so we've now moved to a new rating system based on where your property is located. So we have BAL 12.5, BAL 19, BAL 29, BAL 40 and then flame zone. So there's 5 ratings, and those ratings are generated by a report that comes out with your DA from your local council. So that's what the BAL rating is, and then you have to have products and then rate to those products, to those numbers.
So does that mean I can have any type of window and door, or is
No,
there certain types?
Yeah, there's certain types. So there's certain types for different levels. So certain products will rate to a certain level without too many changes to a standard window, which is normally up to BAL 19. Then once you get to BAL 29, the regulations start to change, and then BAL 40 and flame zone. So AWS, our system supplier of aluminium framing and components, have invested heavily recently in providing a tested product that is actually tested and approved to a BAL-40 rating. So in doing that, they've provided over 35 different products that rate to BAL-40, which has given us a huge range to take to the public to meet the designs of their new homes.
Is there a huge cost difference?
Well, there is a cost difference, obviously, for the R&D and the heavy expense involved in testing these products. But it's not considerable. So for a tested product that is rated to a BAL-40 rating on single glazing, you're looking at about 27 to 28% increase. And when we move to double glazing into the system, then it's about 30 to 32% dearer than a standard window. So those costs are incorporated in the different types of seals that we've had to change to, which give us that fire rating, the different types of hardware, the different blocking systems to stop the glass from dropping in a bushfire. So there is a cost difference, but for a tested and proven product, it's not huge.
There's a lot of talk about energy efficient glass. Can I use that to make my home more efficient?
Yes, you can. So the glazing thickness and type of glass is the critical starting point. So 6mm toughened, and then you need to we can then add a low E coated glass to that 6mm toughened, so we can get some energy efficiency out of that, and we can also do that in the double glazing as long as it meets the minimum of 6mm thickness to the outside. It can be a coated glass. So that's definitely achievable.
What about shutters? There's lots of talk about shutters and flames. Can they?
There is talk about shutters. So again, you need to start with your certifier or your local council's report on your property. But generally, a shutter can be used on a BAL-40 window to take you to flame zone. But again, as I said, that you need to produce the report to the window supplier, and they can talk to your builder and the certifier so that the right product and bushfire shutter incorporated to meet that rating.
And do you come to the Blue Mountains?
We do come to the Blue Mountains. It's we're at the base of the Blue Mountains, and we're happy to service the Blue Mountains. We've recently invested in a mobile display van, so our van is now equipped with 11 products that we can come to your property, come to your builder, do all that sort of stuff. So it's well equipped with the product. You can touch it and feel it, you can see it, and we can show you the difference. The good thing is you can't see the difference easily. All the development is well hidden, and which takes us to the BAL-40 rating. So it's been it's a great display van that can make it quite simple for you to be introduced to the product.
Oh, thanks very much, Michael, for answering our questions. That was really helpful.
Thanks, Mitch. This is our first video info, so we hope that you people out there can get some good information out of it, and you can contact us through the website evolutionwindows.com.au. Thank you.